and welcome to this unveiling ceremony of the jerseys of the GCCI Alliance Cricket Cup. As well as we'll be having the draw and the trophies also will be unveiled today. And thanks a lot for such a good response from the press for this event. Just a brief background, we had this cricket tournament, we started it last year just to build up camaraderie between the various associations, the government and the police, and we thank all our members for the wholehearted support. This year the government team was unable to participate due to some code of conduct issues, so we have got the bankers instead who will be joining us this year, and we look forward to making this event bigger and bigger. The event will be held on Sunday 21st of April from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Tanjim Gymkhana. The first match we propose to start at 9:30. We have with us today in this audience, we have Mr. Rajesh Dempo, who is a managing committee member of GCCI as well as the captain of the team of GCCI. I request Mr. Rajesh Dempo to kindly come on stage. A loud applause for Mr. Dempo, please. From TTAG side, we have Mr. Jack Sukija, requesting Jack to kindly come on stage. We have Mr. Wilson D'Souza, DYSP, the captain of the police team, requesting sir to kindly come on stage. We have Mr. Sudesh Rani, the captain of GSI, Goa State Industries Association, requesting to kindly come on stage. And we have the VIA captain. Sir, please come on stage. Sanam Mishra, loud applause for him. The bank team will be joining us in a minute. They are just, I think, downstairs. So, welcome all the 6 captains on stage. So, just to give a brief background, it's a tennis ball cricket tournament and we are playing 6 overs each. The team will be divided into 2 groups of 3 each, and there will be round robin on the group basis. The winner of each group will play in the finals. So the final is slated around 5:15 on Sunday. Thanks to all our sponsors who have donated graciously for this tournament. That includes the Dempos. We have NRB Group. We have Varama Sir Logistics Private Limited. We have Mr. Rajesh Dempo, who has also supported us. Dr. Kurade has supported us, and many others. We will be unveiling their names also on Sunday. So we are getting more and more responses every year for this tournament, and we hope that the chamber gets into other activities of sports also. There are big plans with the new president in place, Mr. Dempo. He is a sports enthusiast and he wants more and more encouragement for sports. Now I request Chetan to kindly bring the jerseys of each of the teams. Yeah, please.
And it's a great thing that all of us from different associations will come together and play. And it's also a very great sign that all of us should be fit. So on this sweltering heat in April, I think we're all ready to give it our best. Thank you.
This is just a fun game, so let's hope we were defending champions.
Yes.
So I'm sure this time also we'll be winning. And all the best to all the other team members.
As rightly said, cricket binds us together. Thank you GCCI for organizing all this event, and I think you must be really stressed up because any event organizing is not an easy. And when it comes to cricket, it's really tough. Thank you.
On behalf of DGP Goa Police, I thank first the GCCI for organizing such event. Last year we had a good time. It's a good fellowship. We get to meet so many players and make friends over there. It's a good platform, and we hope we played this year better than the last year. Thank you.
thank you GCCI for organizing such a good tournament. Last year we had a lovely time, but fortunately we were the winner, and we hope this time to give a tough competition.
Good evening all. Thank you GCCI for giving us opportunity to play in this bigger tournament. It is a very good opportunity for all bankers to make the fitness. We are, especially bankers require this type of opportunity to become a fit more and more. That's why all the organizations which are playing here, we also try to make something special to give competition to you. It will be very fun game, sir. Thank you all, and especially thank you GCCI for giving us opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, team captains. We will now unveil the trophy, requesting all the captains to kindly do the honors.